Yes. What's going on, guys? This has been AKA Day Trading Addict, and I have another good video for you guys today. Today, we are going to go over when to scalp and when not to scalp. Okay? Trust me, you're going to love this video. Now, later on in this video, guys, I'm going to show you live scalping, me scalping the market live, okay, and me making $800 in that day. And I'm going to show you guys all of my secrets, why I enter, why I exit, and the reason why I took the trade, and much more. But before we get to that, guys, I want to show you guys some quick examples on when to scalp and when not to scalp. So let's go. So let me show you guys one example on when to scalp. Now, if you look at this chart right here, guys, notice how we are trending down, okay? Notice how we have a downtrend right here, guys, right? There's a downtrend, very obvious. But I want you guys to notice how long we actually been trending down, okay? Look at this. We've been trending down, okay, for a long time. Look at this, guys. So if you know anything about the market, you know the market is like a rubber band. If you stretch the market out, okay, eventually it will snap right back. So those snapbacks are pullbacks. So you know that, all right, if the market has been trending this long, why are you trying to go for a 4-to-1 or a 5-to-1? Okay, it doesn't make any sense. So here's a good example. Let's say that you're looking at the market, you see it's going down right here, and you see this nice rejection right here, guys, right? Yes, you want to take this trade, but why would you go in this trade right here, okay, and say, all right, listen, I'm going to look for a nice 10-to-1. That doesn't make any sense. We've been trending for a long time, so it's a strong possibility the market might reverse. So this is why it's very good to know when to scalp and when not to scalp, because the market could reverse on you because it's been trending for a long time. And having that knowledge would benefit you, and you know, okay, maybe I shouldn't go for a big reward. Maybe I should just go for a quick scalp and that's it, right? So it doesn't, to me, it doesn't make any sense for you guys to go for a big reward, okay, if the market has been trending down like this for a long time. All right, so this example right here is actually when you want to scalp. So let's go to an example on when not to scalp. So let's go. Okay, so here's an example of when not to scalp, okay? So right here, we have nice support going on right here, okay? Notice how we have support right here, and the market came back to that support, and notice how we have nice buying right there at support, okay? So let's say that you took this trade right here. If I'm looking at this trade right here, guys, it's telling me I shouldn't be scalping because I have room to the upside. Let me show you guys, okay? So the first level that I'm looking at right here, okay, will be this resistance to the left. So let me show you guys real quick, okay? So we have resistance right here, guys. So notice how we have resistance right here, 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 and here. So to me, I'm looking at that and say, all right, that's probably going to be my first area where I probably want to either take some profit or get out completely. Usually I like to take all my profits at once. I don't like to separate it. Okay, so that's one level that I'm going to pay attention to, okay, and look to either take profits there or look to see how the market is going to react. So here's a good example. Notice how we went up, okay? So let's say you went long right here. And let's say that we are in this move right here, guys, okay? No, if you zoom in, guys, all right, you can tell that we didn't really hit the line right here yet, okay? And as soon as we hit the line right here, the market just blasts through the resistance. So to me, if I'm in that trade, I'm going to hold that trade. So if the market blasts through that resistance, where's the next stop? The next stop is this high right here, okay? So the next stop would be right here, guys. So as soon as the market gets to that, I would probably take my profits and probably get out. Again, you can probably hold, okay, and see if the market is going to blast through that resistance too. But me, sometimes I like to play it safe and just take all my profits right there, okay? But notice how the market blasts through that resistance and went up, okay? So this type of trade right here, you do not want to scalp it because it doesn't make any sense. You have room to the upside, okay, to say, all right, let me hold and let me see how the market reacts to those resistance lines. Or let me just basically take my profit either right here at this resistance or take my profits right here at this resistance. Okay, you don't want to just basically just go for a quick scalp and that's it. All right, you want to let this baby ride up, okay, to the upside because you have enough room. Okay, so this is a good example of when not to scalp, right? So now I'm going to show you guys the live scalping video. So let's go. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys 3 live examples, okay? The first example is basically showing you guys when to scalp. So right here, this is a scalp play. I just went for a quick 2-to-1, and I'm going to show you why I did that. So right here, I'm looking at the market, and I'm noticing that we have demand, all right? So we have demand right here, and the market pulled back to that demand area. So I'm looking for some type of reaction. Notice how we have a nice wick right here, nice rejections, and then when the market went above that red bar right here, I actually went long. Okay, so I bought the market right here. Notice how the market's going up, all right, and pretty much that's why I took the trade. Now, the reason why I'm looking at this as a scalp is because we have resistance right here at the top. So I'm looking at this and saying, you know what, I'm going to go for a quick scalp because it's a possibility, you know, we might hit that resistance and sell off. So I didn't really want to, hold that trade. So I said, you know what, I'm just going to make this a quick scalp and let me go for my profits. So let me fast forward this video and show you guys what happened next. So notice right here, guys, everything's looking good. Pretty much the market's pulling back a little bit. I didn't get my profit target yet. I did a couple of ads. So you're going to see me add right here. I'm not really going to go over the add-ons because I added some more because it pulled back a little bit more, so I added on some more. But everything looking good. I love this trade. So let me fast forward this and basically show you guys what happened next. Okay, now you see the market pretty much about to go to my target profit, and I'm about to get my profit. So right here, it's going up. Boom, I got my profit. And if you look to the left, I'm up $811, right? So that is a good example of when to scalp, okay, the market. Okay, so let me show you guys the next live example. Okay, so this is an example of when not to scalp. So what we have here is we have a downtrend, and the market basically went down, okay? It pulled back to supply. Notice how we have supply right here, okay? And it pulled back to supply. First I saw, this nice bearish bar right here, and then I saw this nice rejection bar right here. Now, I wasn't too sure, but when we started to go down right here, okay, that's when I said, all right, let me go to the market and let me sell because it looks like the market is very weak. So I got in, all right, and I'm looking to basically go all the way down to the low, all right? The trade is working out. It's pulling down. It's looking really good. So what I'm going to do, fast forward this so I can show you guys what happened next. So right here, guys, I actually decided to add some more, okay, because I felt like the market is looking really good. It's weak, okay? And notice how I actually added this channel right here. See how we added this channel? I added to the lows. Now this channel right here is looking good because it's matching up to this low right here, okay? And my profit target is right at that bottom, okay, of that low. So if this trade works out, guys, all right, this trade is going to be a nice 4-to-1, okay? Meaning that whatever I was risking is 4 times that, all right? So let me fast forward this video and show you guys what happened next. Okay, so notice how the market's going down to my profit targets right here, guys. Boom, I'm out. And if you look to the left, I'm up $886.50, all right? That was a lovely trade. Pretty much I risked around $200 and something on that trade, and I got 4 times my money. Again, I was supposed to risk a little bit more on that trade, but it is what it is. That was a lovely trade, so I'm not going to complain about that. So that is a good example of when not to scalp because everything was bearish. It was a downtrend, and I had room to basically hold my trade all the way down to the low, okay? We had a nice channel lining up with the low, okay? So I had enough room to say, you know what? I don't want to make this a scalp trade. I want to hold for a nice 4-to-1, and that's what happened. So let's go to the last trading example right now. Okay, guys, so this is the last trading example. This example is when not to scalp, okay? Now, I'm gonna explain to you guys why I don't want to scalp this trade. I actually want to hold this trade for a nice winner. Now, the reason why is because we have I don't have the level up right here on the chart, but this day right here, guys, price was at a nice resistance level, okay? Now, notice how we created a head and shoulders. A head and shoulders is a reversal pattern, okay? So I saw that head and shoulders. I said to myself, you know what? I want to hold this because if this is a true head and shoulders, most likely I'm gonna get that nice reversal to the downside, right? So that's what I'm looking for. So let me show you guys what happened next. Okay, so notice how the market is pushing down. It's looking lovely, guys. I love it. Basically, my target was, if you look at this breakout right here, I was pretty much going for the lows, okay? Most likely, if this is a true reversal, they probably going to trap those breakout traders right there at that low. So I say, you know what? Let me hold to that low right there because most likely they're going to probably come back to stop those traders out, all right? So let me fast forward this, guys, and show you guys what happened next. Okay, so you see right here, guys, where the market is going down. It's going to my profit target, and boom, I got my profit. If you look to the left, I'm up $1,349, okay? And that was one good trade right there. That was a 5-to-1 trade. And again, that's a good example of when you don't want to scalp, all right? Because it's telling you that is a reversal pattern. So why would you just want to go for a quick profits? This is actually what's going to separate you from these other guys that claim that they know how to trade, all right? Once you understand the market, you can know when to hold and take advantage of these big moves, all right? And this is actually what my channel is all about, helping you guys take your trading to the next level. I've been trading for 13 years, so that's what I want to do. I want to give all this knowledge to you guys, right? So guys, that's it. I'm done. I hope you guys got some value out of this video. If so, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also join my free Telegram group because sometimes I post charts like this in my group. And also I post exclusive discounts for my trading program. And if you don't have my trading program by now, guys, pick it up because it will help take your trading to the next level. I have videos on showing you guys how to build your small account, and also have videos like this that shows you when to hold for those big moves, all right? So if you have any questions, guys, comment below. Thanks for your time, and please have a great day.